Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna try to be really quick with this, but I've been having some issues with my GoPro Fusion 360. So the issue is where I would have it hooked up to my computer, and the USB, I guess, notification wouldn't come up on a camera. It would just stay like this, where you see the charging thing. Now, I tried many cables and same thing. So as you can see, I have it hooked up, and the weird thing is when I press record on here, I'm going to show you right now, and when I stop it, it comes up. But here's the other problem. Now when I head over to my computer, and it shows up, pops up right there at the bottom, only the front camera comes up. So I don't know what the problem is. I'm not sure why it's doing that. Um, but I mean, I've tried everything, and it's just the same result. So I finally found a way to kind of fix it this way. It's way more annoying, but hey, it works, and the process is much quicker and much faster than have do everything from the GoPro. All right, so I'm gonna try my best to do. I'm using one hand right now to record. So let me see what I can do. All right, so what you're gonna need is a USB reader, right? At least USB 3.0 reader. Now I bought two of these, so I'm waiting for the other one to come in the mail, because this camera uses two memory sticks. All right, so let's go. I'm gonna pause the video for a second. All right, so as you can see, both memory sticks are right here. I'll try to zoom in. Yeah, both SD cards, better yet, let's say that, are in right there. So you're gonna have to pop it out. It doesn't matter which order it's in, just pop it out. Now, okay, first take the battery out. It's the easiest. Take the battery out and just pop it out. Alright, the camera's gonna go crazy and be like, there's nothing in there. That's fine. Make sure you unplug the USB. I should have done that the first time. Make sure you do that. Let me pause the video for a second. Hold on. Okay, so as you can see, guys, I removed both memory sticks. If you ever mix it up, like, you could always, just plug it in and it'll tell you, like, which is which, So that's the nice thing about it. So yeah, so of course you would have to put it inside here, and like I said, doing it this way is it's quicker. Alright, pause it again. Okay, so right now it's plugged in. So I'm gonna remove my GoPro. Let me turn this flash off. Apologize for that. Go to my PC. It should show up on here. Didn't show up yet. What's going on? Should pop up. Let's try it again. Okay, it detects it, but it's not. Okay, 1 second, guys. 1 second. Okay, so it finally came up. I had to put it into one of my other USB ports, USB 3.0 ports. Yeah, alright, so it's actually not, well, okay. Usually when you plug in a GoPro, it would say, I think camera 1 and camera 2, I think. I can't remember. But anyway, when you plug it into a USB reader, that might not happen. It's just gonna come up as like USB drive and then whatever letter it names it. Okay, so anyway, I can't show some of the files on here, so all good. That's fine. So very important, guys. Okay, so say if you wanted to work on a video, right? So this process, it's so easy, it's not even funny. And I'll show you something right now. Let's open up this again. Recording all this on my phone. This is kind of last minute, but I thought, you know, by sharing this would actually help somebody out there that's having the same problem. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is create a new folder. Alright, and call it whatever you want. Fusion 360, whatever. Alright, so like I said, this process right here is the easiest one right now. Okay, basically if you want to, say for example, if you want to you know, edit a video, the numbers, actually, yes, the numbers that you see at the end right here, they're gonna match. Now let me see if I can make sense by saying this. Yeah, these, you got to look for these numbers. Basically, you got to look for these. So say if I'm doing this 1294.1, you have to look for that on your other memory stick. It's so easy, it's not even funny. Just look for that. All right, so you got to make sure. Oh, come on, I know why this thing keeps coming out of focus. All right, let's lock it. I'm sorry. Okay, you have to make sure you copy all the files that say 1294.1. Make sure you do that. Very, very important. Don't copy these, just these, all these files. All right, just, you know, just copy, come back here and paste. All right, and when you put in your other memory stick, you're gonna do the same for that. All right, just look for the you know, for the number, the file number or whatever. And yeah, so I'm just copying this one over, and then I'll put the other memory stick in. So as you can see, it's transferring it. Because here's what I did wrong. I made two folders. I called one folder cam 1, and then I called the other folder cam 2. So I thought, I was like, okay, cool. What if I put cam 1 footage in there, and then what if I put the cam 2 footage in another folder? That did not work. The GoPro software would not recognize it. So the footage from your first camera and from your first camera and your second camera, they have to be in one folder. Now the GB0 is not going to be the same on your second memory stick. It's going to be a different lettering, whatever, but it's going to be the same number. So just keep that in mind. All right, so I'm going to pause the camera because I got to put the other memory stick in. I'm trying to do this as quickly as possible. All right, okay, I just put in the second memory stick, and I'll show you right now. One memory stick, oh, it's too dark, oops, is right there, and the other one is plugged in right here. So this is actually the second camera. So I'm just going to go in here, and I'm going to look for that same file right there. See, 1249.1, and if we look back here, it's going to be the same thing, 1249.1. Now, as you can see, it's different. It's a different lettering. That other one said GB0, I think. GB0. This one says GF0. So, like I said, it's so easy. It's not even funny. All you gotta do is just copy it. I'm only seeing 2 files, but I guess that's fine. Yeah, I guess for the second camera, it only does 2 files. I'm not sure why. But anyway. Alright, so you're just going to copy it. Alright, go back to your Fusion folder and paste. So you just gotta match it. That's about it. Just make sure everything matches. Like I said, if you're gonna be editing, one of your files. It sucks that I gotta do it this way, but my GoPro is giving problems right now, where it's having trouble connecting. And I also tried this on a different computer and the same thing. And like I said, tried different cables, same thing. So I found another solution and this works. So I'll just have to, just do this. It's fine. It's not the end of the world. All right. So now that you got all your files, you're gonna go to your GoPro Fusion, wherever you have it. All right. Oh, apologize. My screen is so dirty. Apologize for that. All right. So instead of browse camera media, that's only when you have it plugged in. You're gonna go to add media. I'm kind of glad they added this feature. So add media. All right. So it's on the desktop. No, it's not on the desktop. Sorry. Is it? No, it's not. It's actually on my Samsung drive. Alright, so here's my footage, and you just select folder. Can't render, some files were not found. 1 second, guys, 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I figured out what the problem was. The way how I had it set up here was wrong. Alright, so it's not 2 files. It's actually, let me see, 1294.1. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1294.1. Let me see. No, I'm sorry. No, it's only 2. Huh. I was right. I don't. 1294. I'm not sure. Let's copy it again. Maybe it didn't copy properly. Let's do that again because something's strange here. Should have automatically. Alright, let's replace it. I'm also gonna go back and check the other files to see if I did something wrong, but I'm only seeing 2 files, 1294.1 and this is 29029. Huh, strange. Alright, so it copied, so then why won't it allow me to add? Yeah, okay, I'll be right back, guys. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I do apologize. So one of the files that I was trying to do, that I was trying to actually edit on here was corrupted. I don't know how, but it was corrupted. So that kind of sucks because I don't know how many other files on there are corrupted too, but hopefully it's just that one. But anyway, I'll show you what I did. Let's close this out. So everything is here. I had to change it. Before it was 241, so I picked a different file. This one is 3228, and this is from both cameras. Alright, so I'm gonna go right back to GoPro. Doesn't matter which version you use. I got 1.3 and 1.4 in there. Whichever one makes you happy. This was supposed to be a quick video and ended up being a long video. And the thing is, I tried this out before, so I'm like, what happened now? Anyway, okay, so I have it saved on my SD drive. You just click your folder and come on, focus. And voila, just like that. And my file is right there. So my 360 camera. Yep. So alright, so that is the fix for it, and you know, I hope this works for everybody. It sucks that I have to do it this way, that I gotta take the memory stick out of my camera. I gotta take it out of there. Just, you know, before it was just plug and play, but now I gotta go do a whole nother process. But it's all good. I mean, as long as it works, and like I said, I realize the process is much faster and smoother because it's not editing off of the GoPro, so that kind of makes, you know, life much easier. I mean, I never had a problem in the past. It's actually pretty quick when it comes to like rendering, which is nice. But yeah, so that is a fix, guys. I really hope this video helped. I do apologize for, like, you know, any mistakes that was made in the video. Like I said, this is like last minute, but I thought, you know, doing this would be very important for people out there that love to you know, do 360 videos. All right, thanks again for watching, guys, and peace. And guys, stay tuned because I got a lot of more videos coming up. I know it's been a while since I posted anything, but stay tuned. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Peace.